TechnoIllustrator. Choosing exposure adjustment. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Step 2. Open up your folder. Open the folder where you have saved your photos in. To do this, click on File, Include Folder, and the folder you wanted to open. Select the photo you want to apply effects with. Double-click on the photo. Click on the Edit tab. Exposure. Choose the fourth picture. This will give a lighter and warmer color. You can also opt to choose Auto Exposure to auto-adjust exposure. Step 3. Save your file. Closing the file instantly saves your file. Click Close File.